Hi everyone! Merry Christmas. We have finished the Advent calendar and it felt like a really nice time to just reflect and say thank you so much for an amazing 2025. So the first thing is to let you know a little Christmas gift from me, Ant and Crumble is this is my completed Advent calendar right here. And we're going to do this as a free PDF download for you over on my website, so you can find the episode notes with the link below, because it just might be nice for you to be able to have a good close-up look at some of my illustrations if you ever want to sort of use them for reference in future, but also just, to have a closer look at how I interpreted each one. But I've just got to say thank you yet again. It's the 5th year of our Advent calendar, and I'm amazed at how many new things we get to paint each time, and your continued enthusiasm and joy and just how much fun you bring to it every year. You know, it's nothing without you. And when you tag us on social media in your posts, and I can share all your paintings and just see close up how you've interpreted the illustration, it's just brought us so much joy. So I want to say thank you very, very much for taking part. I hope it brought you a little mindful moment throughout Advent. I know some of the tutorials may be a bit challenging, a bit tricky, but I really do get the impression that however much there might have been a little struggle, you've all come through it and probably feeling pretty proud of yourselves. And I am possibly the most proud of you. So well done. And thanks. And if we look back over the year, gosh, there's been an awful lot to be proud of and an awful lot that we've done together. You've all really, really taken to the extra little bits we've been doing, like the social media mini flower tutorials that you've seen like popping up through the year. The floral alphabet. Painting miniatures is something I just love, and I love that you've shared my enthusiasm for that. So that was a real high point of spring. And then of course we had our first paint your own calendar, all happen all the way through last year in 2025, and we launched our 2026 paint your own calendar too, and I've already seen some of you doing some really beautiful monthly masterpieces of that. So thank you, because I must say all these ideas we come up with, they're very much inspired by things you suggest in the comments, my Patreon community. It's all really been built and broadened through getting to know you all. So thank you. So if I think back on 2025, I suppose a real high point for me was going up to Scotland and hosting 2 retreats there and meeting some absolutely wonderful watercolour painters, some patrons, some new faces. It was so cool. And then of course, Ant, Crumble and I embarked on our amazing road trip around the NC 500, which we vlogged. And if you haven't seen that already on the channel, just go and look for our vlogging and Scotland road trip, and you'll see what we got up to in the amazing summer weather. It's kind of crazy to think back to all that amazing sunshine. And then of course another big thing that happened is my book. You will be able to paint by the end of this book. Oh no, you will be able to paint with watercolour by the end of this book. Came out in September, and it was lovely because I was actually up in Scotland with my lovely retreat members, and so I got to celebrate that with some fellow watercolour enthusiasts, which is not always the case, and that really felt very special, and it brought home to me just how I continue to be inspired by you. And I really, really do find that the way we've built up the channel, I mean, we're nearly at 200,000 subscribers, and that is mind-blowing. And so many of you get in touch and tell us about how watercolours changed your life, or how you've taken it up as a new hobby, how maybe certain parts of watercolour or drawing are really causing you trouble, but you're persevering and learning, and it just makes me so happy. And you've got to know that we really, really do read all the comments, and we try to reply to as many as possible. So keep them coming, keep painting. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, it's free, so I would really recommend that, because it just means you're never going to miss another video. And of course, you may have noticed that we've got a lot more social media tutorials, little reels, shorts, It's been a really lovely way to just broaden our audience over the year. So that's where you'll have seen all the fun Christmas cards, the mini flower tutorials. It's just been a lovely way of getting more painting content to you. And of course, next year, looking ahead, well, we've got a really fun year planned. We've got workshops and retreats. We've got some amazing sold out workshops in Devon, close to home, and then further afield in Portugal and Greece. If you're coming to any of those workshops, I can't wait to see you there. And thank you so much for booking a ticket, because it's just allows me to paint with you all for a little bit more. And of course, I am constantly learning. I'm trying to keep on broadening my horizons. Obviously, watercolour is my first love, but I've really enjoyed trying workshops under other artists' tutelage this year. I went to an amazing weekend workshop learning about acrylic painting with an artist called Rosie Harbottle, who also happens to be a really good friend. I recently went and did a mosaicing course with Bryony Machin, which was so much fun. Quite hard on the hands, but like a really, really good, exciting way of just creating some art in a totally new way. And then when it's not about the visual arts, I've been getting back into my music. I've joined a choir. That's so much fun. And of course, through Christmas, I was caroling for many, many nights of the week. Joined my mum's Christmas church choir, which is really special to me. I love doing that with my mum. And continuing my love of tennis. Many of you will know that. I'm going to have a go at golf this year. Who knows? Especially being left-hander. I keep on trying to work out whether I should play left-handed, right-handed. I think it's one of those if you know, you know type things. And yet still being pretty chaotic with my baking in the kitchen, but enjoying that. And whether it might not look that nice, it always tends to taste really nice. So that's me at the moment. Lots of projects underway that will be sort of revealed to you all in the coming year. That sounds annoyingly cryptic, but usually that means I'm working on a book. So, and of course, I want to do a special shout out to my patrons and my YouTube channel members. Yeah, so this year we started YouTube channel membership. It's just a lovely way to support the channel, and it makes so much of a difference for us. And you get little perks on there. You get a special set of specially hand-painted emojis to use in the comments. You get the long-form full versions of our flower painting tutorials and all the other card making tutorials. It's been lovely, and I just want to say thank you so much, because that's been such a nice way to connect with you all. And then, yeah, over on Patreon, I've just been so proud this year of how many more people have been joining our live streams and just taking that next step into painting with a little bit more courage and creative confidence. That's literally my goal over on Patreon, is to build people's confidence, to get them painting beyond the tutorials, because I think that's when the real magic happens. And the Discords are buzzing, like loads of lovely comments, lovely people in our community. And I honestly feel like I get just as much out of that as all the patrons. It really fills my cup. So thank you so much. And I suppose the last little gift from me is to tell you what we've got coming up on the channel over this funny little in-between time we've got coming after Christmas. So I mentioned the mini flower tutorials, but those of you who've been keeping up with those will know that we've still got quite a lot of space to fill on the final page, and we are going to be filling that space in some very special long-form film tutorials. We've got 5 filmed sessions for you starting from the 28th of December. But we're going to do the first one on YouTube. Then I've got 3 on Patreon, which you can absolutely join Patreon to get those and loads of other things if you want. And then the final one, the big finale on January the 1st, will be back on YouTube. So you'll be able to see the full length versions of those tutorials with a full colour list, full kit list. Yeah, it should be really, really enjoyable and very satisfying, because we're going to finish off the year with some lovely seasonal tutorials for those mini flowers. So, how's your Christmas going? I hope it's a peaceful, happy, maybe quiet, maybe busy, I hope it's giving you whatever you need. And if it's not, I hope the time after Christmas will be the time where you can really recuperate, relax, and feel refreshed. Maybe do some mini flower paintings, whatever you like. This is a time to reflect, isn't it? And that's exactly what I've done in this little post. Crumble and Ant are out in the office at the moment keeping quiet, so I could film this, but I'm nothing without them. Ant is the backbone of our channel. He edits. He's really good at giving me some helpful inspiration throughout the year. And of course, as always, we say at this time of year, the Advent calendar was his idea, and it doesn't pain me to admit that, but I wish it had been my idea. But yeah, his brilliance is a real sort of unsung hero element of our channel. And Crumble is the star, isn't he? He's the undisputed star. And he's so starry, he's way too exclusive to pop up on this. But you'll see him in the new year. So I want to say a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And if you want to head over to my website for a free download of my paintings of the 2025 Watercolour Advent Calendar, then you can feel free to do that right now. But for now, I'll say thank you very much, and I will see you very soon. Bye!